In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change button text in MailerLite so you can customize your calls to action and drive better engagement from your email campaigns. MailerLite is a powerful and user-friendly email marketing platform, and getting your button text right is one of the simplest ways to boost clicks, whether you're sending a newsletter, a promotional offer, or an event invitation. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your MailerLite account. Open up your preferred browser and head over to MailerLite.com. Click the login button in the top right corner, then enter your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your command center where you can see an overview of your subscribers, campaigns, and automations. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right account if you manage multiple ones. That's a common oversight that can save you a bit of frustration later. Now let's navigate to the campaign you want to edit. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see a vertical navigation menu. Click on Campaigns. This will bring up a list of all your sent, draft, and scheduled campaigns. Scroll through or use the search bar if you have a lot of them. Find the specific campaign that contains the button you want to update. Once you've located it, click the three dots or the More option next to that campaign. Then select Continue Editing. This opens the campaign back up in edit mode, so you can make changes without starting from scratch. Next, you need to open the email editor itself. Inside the campaign editor, look for a button or link that says Edit Content. Click on that, and MailerLite will load its drag-and-drop email builder. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your email, this might take a few seconds. Be patient. Let it fully load before you start clicking around. Once it's open, you'll see your email layout as it would appear to your subscribers. This is your chance to review the overall design, spacing, and structure. Take a quick glance to get your bearings, then locate the button whose text you want to change. It might be a primary call to action button near the top, or a secondary one further down the page. Now it's time to select that button block. Simply click directly on the button in the email preview. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline or a set of editing options appear around it. Usually a toolbar pops up above or beside the button with options for alignment, padding, link settings, and text styling. This is your signal that you're in the right place. Look closely at the text currently displayed on the button. This is what you're about to replace. Before you do, keep in mind that effective button text is short and action-oriented. Words like "get started," "download now," or "register today" often outperform vague phrases like "click here" or "learn more." So think about what you want your subscribers to do next and keep it clear. With the button selected, you can now change the text. Double-click directly on the button text, or look for a text field in the editing panel on the right side of the screen. If you double-click, the existing text will become highlighted and editable. Delete the current text entirely by hitting backspace or delete on your keyboard. Then type in your new button name. For example, if you want subscribers to download a free guide, you might type "download the free guide" or simply "get the guide." Once you've typed it, review it for any typos or awkward phrasing. Make sure it accurately describes the action they'll take when they click. Also check the visual appearance. Does the text fit nicely inside the button? If it's too long, it might wrap to a second line or look cramped. If it's too short, the button might look unbalanced. Adjust the font size in the editing panel if needed, or shorten your text slightly. Ensure the button remains easy to read and visually appealing. When everything looks good, click the Done Editing button in the upper right corner of the email builder. MailerLite will automatically save your changes so you don't need to worry about losing your work. A quick confirmation message may appear, letting you know your updates are saved. To wrap things up, you've now successfully changed the button text in your MailerLite campaign. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how your audience responds to your emails, because clear, action-driven text removes guesswork and encourages clicks. As a next step, consider testing different button texts in future campaigns. MailerLite has built in a /B testing features that let you compare two versions to see which one performs better. And if you ever need to revisit these steps, just save this video or bookmark the MailerLite help section. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.